Hey, it's Hot Rod Ronnie. Got a little time here with Rusty today. Hot Rod Ronnie and Rusty. What I'm doing now, I'm just giving you a little update, let you know I'm working on it pretty much here lately. This is the last thing I started on yesterday and ran out of time. I had this almost like a stock type radiator in it with a Ford Taurus fan. That works awesome, but I found this back in my stash. This it's like a 70 Corvette radiator, and then got these fans here in a stash of parts that I bought, so I don't really have anything in them. And I'm telling you, they suck the siding off a house. I mean, they sound awesome. So I'm going to put that down in. I got to notch the frame. That's no problem. I just got that piece of aluminum down there. You ain't gonna believe where I got it. I took it off my wheelie bars I used to have on my wheelies because it broke the end off of it. Got the new gas tank on it. That's all hooked up. The other day I put the brand new gas line on it all the way up. Got that hooked up, so now I don't have to have a jug of gas down in the motor there to start it. So I've just been going up. Another little thing I did here, old seat belt using for my battery hold down. That's a real old, like mid-60s seat belt, buckle and all. I got this little on and off switch here. That's real handy if you might have something draining your battery down and all. So every time I cut it off inside, I just come out and cut that off till I get the thing wired. As you can see, I still have the wiring to do. And the only thing I have left now to do, and this bad boy is going down the driveway, put some ball joints in it, shocks, and that's about it. We're going to be cruising, because I'm going to cruise this old Rusty, because that's why I want to put that good radiator in it. Because this thing ain't going to be on the road. It ain't going to be like Coopzilla. But, I spent a little time on my tractor yesterday, so that's still in the making. I'll show you that. That's got an arena racing. Some of you have already seen it, but I put an arena racing Honda on it. It's been modified to 23 horsepower. It's already mounted, but I mounted it too far to the rear, so I'm going to have to cut the mount off and mount it a little more forward. I have dual exhaust coming out. It's going to be radical. Anyway, that's what's going on today, and I just want to make another one here when I get the radiator in. Show you how it starts up, and then I got to get the exhaust put on. I'm going to run the exhaust all the way to the back. It's going to be Delta 40 Flowmasters, which should sound pretty good. I guess that's about it. That's it! Totally uncalled for.